need to remove this red plastic cover for the plug. I just use this tool to pry this side here, and then the other side too. Yep, this side, just pry it up and it will release. Okay, so we're going to take out one of these pins over here. Yep, so right now it's locked. We're gonna slide in, so we're gonna choose this one, this pick. It's a cylinder piece, and it goes in here. You need to feel something like a locking tab or plastic at the end, and then you like try to push it up. Yep. And then suddenly you tug the back of the wire, and then that's it. Yep. You get it down. So this is how the wire looks like. And the way it works is that there's a locking tab in here. So you insert this one, then you slowly put some sort of an upward push to that locking tab up. So once you have that up, like that, you could pull the wire outward. And then if you look at this, it has this prongs down here. This is like to make sure that you're putting it in the right position. You cannot like put it like upside down because these tabs prevent it from going in easily. If it doesn't go in, it means that it's the wrong position. It will just slide easily with those tabs. So try to put this back in. So I forgot the orientation, but if it will not go through, then it's the wrong way. Yep, so it goes in. And it's there. So I'm gonna try this big red one. And use this. So I have lots of them, but this one works best. So I'm gonna choose this area here. I'm just putting it flush on the socket or on the terminal. Then I could feel the end of it, and then I just put a upward force. Yep, easy. And then I could put it back. I could put it in a new position, like a vacant slot over here, and it will just go in. Yep. So to illustrate, this is how it looks like inside. So I'm gonna push the pin, and then I'm gonna push this upwards, and then once it's up, once it goes upward, then that wire is like loose enough to be pulled outward. So the key here is that you need to push this upwards, and then do that stuff.